Boys, look, as a young guy, it's sometimes hard to try to figure out what's the right and wrong thing to wear. How can you level yourself up? What style should you wear? Today, that's what we're going to be talking about. How to dress better when you're young. The number one thing you got to do over everything, get in shape. Lose the body fat. Get in the best shape of your life. You need to understand that, I would say 17 to like 30, I think your muscle peak ends up being like at 30, 32. That gaping hole, if you fall anywhere in there, you should be in the best shape of your life. And if you're not, now is the time to take the action. Remove the body fat. Get that superhero physique, because I'm going to promise you this. It doesn't matter what you put on. When you are physically fit, everything looks good on you. Number two, I want you to experiment. Look, there are more brands creating or catering to that 20s demographic than any other demographic. In other words, you can literally experiment and test out any style you want. And when you're young, this is the time to do so. When you're in that gaping hole, this is when you start experimenting different colors, different color palettes, different fits, different styles, different trends, and seeing what makes you feel the most comfortable. And even though you might feel uncomfortable stepping outside of your comfort zone, if you're used to wearing skinny jeans all the time, force it. Force it, because I'm going to tell you, the more you experiment and the more versatile your style becomes, the better you look. Because you're going to start being able to put outfit pieces from different demographics that's going to make you look better. And when you're young is when you take advantage of it, which takes us to number three. You got to dress to be more attractive. You cannot be so naive and not see that there is an attractive tax in life. Attractive men get the job, attractive men get paid more, attractive men get the girl. There is a complete bias when you are attractive, and there's multiple studies on this. And the easiest way to manipulate how you look is how you dress. This is why it's so important to dress better when you're young, because you need to understand that what you're wearing, people will judge you for it. Even though they say don't judge a book, they're going to judge you for it. And that's why I built a whole clothing company. Our brand Essentials is catering and focusing on those minimal basics that I know makes every guy look good. I don't care what your body shape is, how tall, how short, how big, how wide. Basics look good on every man, because it's those staples that you know are timeless, that you know are classic. That's what we do best with Essentials, and that's what we're about to do again this October 15th. Boys, we got 16 new pieces. I've literally been wearing this little bag. This is one of them. I have been wearing this nonstop. Nonstop. This crew neck, Essentials. The shirt, Essentials. The pants, Essentials. I literally build every single piece that you can wear to make it look as good as possible, that are simple, that are basic, no minimal branding. That way you can wear this thing for years and never have to worry about trying to look good. We got you covered. And this October 15, boys, we're dropping 16 new pieces. I've never dropped that many new pieces at once, and that's because we're combining all launches into this major launch. We're talking new accessories, new bags, new underwear that's seamless. Boys, it has no seams. I don't think you've ever seen something like this. We have new crew neck sweaters. We also have oversized knitted sweaters. Bro, those things look so... We have tote bags. We have new cargo pants, new canvas pants, new oversized pants. We have so many. We have a new puffer vest. This is the first time we release a puffer vest. But here's the thing. I think the puffer vest and the knitted sweater are crazy limited. Like between 100 and 500 pieces limited, meaning those two probably will go the fastest. There's a lot of them, 16. They're crazy limited, which means that if you're not a pro member or you're not part of our outfit subscription, you probably will lose out. I'm going to need you to put a reminder on your phone, October 15, 10 a.m. Eastern, so you can get there as early as possible, because I'm telling you, these key pieces, the ones that were really hard to source because the materials are scarce right now, are limited. And they will go. Even on launch day, if you're not a pro member, by launch day, most of that will be gone if you're not there quick. Boys, this October 15th, you're going to get those pieces that are going to make you look more attractive. Number four, I need you to make friends with your tailor and your barber. You should be BFFs, Biffles, best friends for life with these two men. These two men will make sure you look as attractive as possible. The barber has you hooked up. You better tip that man good. And that tailor, same thing. Yo, you make friends with these two guys, you are pretty much guaranteed to always dress well. Number five, bring it back to basics. When you're in your 20s, again, it can get flustering like I was mentioning. There's so many brands, right? And there's a lot for you to experiment, which you should. But if you're getting flustered, if you're getting overwhelmed, if you maybe just have limited resources and need to focus on a few things, always bring it back to your basics. Your simple t-shirts, your simple button downs, your denim, your chino, your tailored trousers, 1 to 2 pair of shoes. You want to streamline everything down to the stuff that doesn't have logos, to the stuff that's not trending this season or is in the latest runway show. You want to keep it to stuff, again, kind of like what our mission goal is with Essentials, where you can buy a crew neck like this. This is from our last collection. It looks just as good this season, and I promise you it'll look good next season. I can wear this piece that I bought last year 3, 4, maybe 5 years because it's a basic. There's nothing crazy going on. It just fits good, and it's made with quality materials. Those are the pieces you should be focusing on if you want to narrow down your resources and buy the stuff that'll give you the biggest bang for your buck. 6, take care of your shoes. Like I said, especially if you're on a budget and you only have 1 or 2 pairs, make sure they're always clean. Your shoes are the foundation of every outfit, and you going on Amazon and buying a $20 shoe cleaner will be the best investment you'll ever make. After every single wear, just clean them down, wipe them down, take off all the dirt. Don't let it pile on, and I promise you, the life of those shoes will last you 2-3 times longer than it would when you don't take care of them. Finally, number 7, have one formal outfit. Be a killer with one formal outfit. I can pretty much say that out of 100 guys in their 20s, maybe 2 have a killer formal fit. In other words, an outfit head to toe, suited up, fully tailored, fits perfectly like a glove, and they know how to execute it. Maybe 2. And I'm being generous. So that means probably less than 2% of the population in this age demographic doesn't have that killer outfit. So when you have a presentation, when you need to look good, when you need to make a good first impression, if you don't know how to deploy one killer formal outfit, you're going to lose.